Will not be able to hear me. Let's put this one. I've been making videos. I've been vlogging all day. But anyway, so I got my Sephora package.
What is it?
Huh?
Beautiful.
Okay, I'm making a video. What are you looking for?
Oh, this
Okay,
here.
close my door. Okay, so making this haul. I just grabbed a few things. They just came in the mail, so I'm going to open them up here. So I've been breaking out a lot. Let's just I've been breaking out a lot because of, you know, just being in the hot weather. And just being in the hot weather, I just moved to the islands, so it's really hot out here. So anyways, I'm trying different skincare routines. So I've added the Clinique Acne Solutions Clarifying Lotion because I've heard good things about that. The other thing I have is the Moisture Surge Face Spray because I've also heard good things about this, and I think it's a lighter moisturizing, lighter skin moisturizer. So I don't have to use the heavy stuff that I've been using that makes my skin feel really oily and nasty. So I'm gonna try that. The other things I got were the Smashbox contour kit. So I know like most of y'all already on this stuff, and y'all probably like this is old news, but this is my first contour kit. I never had a contour kit. Not an actual contour kit. I would do contouring sometimes with other things. Don't ask me. We'll talk about that later. But this is like an actual real deal contour kit. Oh, this is nice. So yeah, this is like the real deal stuff. This is not like what I've been using. I'll probably use like a darker foundation and a lighter foundation to do my contouring, because I was doing it like the ghetto fabulous way. But I actually got a contour kit now. Smashbox contour kit with the brush included. So it came with this nice little brush, even though I have a contour brush, I believe, somewhere around here. I think my contour brush here. But it came with this contour brush, the MAC contour brush, so I can use either one of these. Now I have the actual kit, so we're coming up in the world, okay? Okay. Oh, so I am trying out this Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. So I've been getting like a lot of breakouts, and I needed something that would blur these breakouts, you know, because I don't like the way it looks. I don't feel like my foundation, my foundation does a good job, but this one is weightless, and I feel like the foundation that does do a good job is my Fenty. But first of all, I've gotten darker since I've moved to the islands, and second of all, it's not lightweight. I don't care what nobody says, this is not lightweight. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm trying out. Let's see. Okay, I like this. I like this packaging. Oh, it's actually a pump. Okay. Yeah. All right. And this is in color Cafe. It's darker than my Fenty, of course, because like I said, I've gotten darker since I've been here. That was my old foundation. We're in the islands now, honey. We need to upgrade the foundation. We'll talk about that later. So then I needed a new blush. I mean, I still have my other one, but excuse me, y'all. So this is Moscato. I still got my other one somewhere around here. I'm not gonna look for it, but it's the MAC. It's my favorite. It's somewhere around here, but it's my favorite MAC blush. But I just wanted to try something different, and I had never heard about this makeup line, Pretty Vulgar, Make Them Blush. So I said, you know what, let me just try something new. Like, you're always like getting the same stuff. And this is, you're always getting the same old thing. Like, come on, like, let's try something. So I got this. So it's very highly, oh my God, I gotta say though, I love this packaging. This packaging is dope. Look at this. Oh my God, so cute. Yes. Pretty Vulgar, and the shade is Sweet Revenge. Again, Make Them Blush. So I like that. We'll try that. Oh, this is the mascara that I got. Milk by Milk Makeup. Boom. And they're gonna make it hard for me to get and to open this. So yeah, this is the new mascara. Oh damn, this is big and heavy. I think it's made out of metal. Is this metal? Okay, this is new. So this is Kush Mascara by Milk Makeup. Oh. So what made me get this mascara was the brush. I really liked the brush. And then the fact that I had never heard of it. I like trying new things, y'all. Like, you'll learn that about me. I'm like, if it's weird or I've never heard of it, I'm gonna try it. This I actually tried before I bought it. So I'm subscribed to the Sephora, what do you call that? Sephora, oh God, I forgot the name of it. I can't Play, Sephora Play. And this is one of the things that I got as a sample, and I loved it. I used it up, and then I was like, I need to buy this. So this is the Pep Start Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. This is bomb, y'all. Bomb. And then this is the lip gloss I grabbed because it was on sale. It was like $7. So this is Peekaboo Pink Ultra Shine Lip. And yeah, it was on sale. I was like, okay. $7. Hello. Again, this is something else I got from Sephora. The Sephora makeup line. Sephora Colorful Illuminator, Highlighter, everything. Secretive. Also on sale. $7. Those two Sephora products were on sale, and I could not resist because I love sales. And these were just, you know, the samples they sent, Misty Aura, which I've tried before. I love this. Wild Rose Vitamin C Peel. I'm actually going to try this tonight because I need something for my skin. My skin is saying, Jesus, help me. Oh, and then, wait a minute. This is just something, this is a promotion actually. It's a skin tint in suede. It's has sunscreen, up to 24-hour color wear and comfort, transfer resistant. So yeah, it's like a skin tint by Lancome. And the color Suede. I don't even know if this is my color. It was just, oh, that's my color. That's fine. I will give this to my daughter because I think she's closer to that color. She's darker than me. They're both darker than me, but one of them will fit it just right. So then this, yay, is something cute that I wanted, that I had points for, and I was like, oh, I want it. This is a little plate. It's a cute little ceramic plate, but First Beauty. So I'll be using this on my vanity. And I just thought it was cute. And I was like, oh, I don't have anything like this on my vanity. So instead of getting more samples, I just decided to get something that I can actually keep instead of use up and then possibly buy more of. But yeah, so that's my Sephora haul. I will review everything individually. Not individually, but I'll do a makeup look whenever I have time. Because I do want to, I'm sending up videos looking crazy. I need to do some videos where I'm actually like makeup, you know, got my face done up. But yeah, that's it. Bye.